This AI grandpa started posting less than 1 month ago and got 3.7 million views in his first video. Now I make $29 per 1,000 views, but if we assume he makes 10 times less, let's say just $3 per 1,000 views, then that's absolutely incredible considering he literally started less than 30 days ago. But his videos are extremely realistic. So I spent the last week building this entire template with all of the prompts you can copy and paste to recreate this. Obviously, just because this works for him and thousands of other people, results are not guaranteed. Alright, so first you need to extract the prompt with Claude. So go over to Claude AI and then go ahead and take a screenshot of any YouTube channel that you like, any character that you like. Literally just go there and take a screenshot just like this. Then go over to Claude and say, create a detailed JSON prompt describing this character from the image, include physical features, clothing, lighting, mood, and artistic style. Now this is going to give you this code over here that you can copy. Step number 2, then head over to Google Gemini, and once there, make sure that you select Nano Banana Pro. So make sure Pro is selected, click on create image, and then paste in that prompt. Once you do so, you're going to get your AI grandpa. Now if you're satisfied with it, just download it. If not, just restart the chat and do it again and again until you get a realistic result. Also, if you don't like the prompt that Claude gives, just do the exact same thing in ChatGPT and then see which prompt gives you a better result. This is about trial and error and testing, so spend the next few minutes just testing out different results that you get from Google Gemini. Step 3, then you want to upscale that image to make it even more realistic. So simply head over to Topaz Labs, then go to upscale, upload that image here, and then just click render on the left hand side. Once you get that higher quality image, just download it to your device and then head over to Adobe Firefly. Search for that on Google and then open up Adobe Firefly, drag and drop that upscaled image just so we can remove this Gemini logo. So click on remove, highlight that part just like this, click remove. Once that's done, click download. Next step is to generate a script. And I'm gonna have these 3 example prompts. To each, you wanna add these script guidelines. So I'm gonna copy the very first one. I will paste it into ChatGPT and I will also add these script guidelines and submit. Next step, once I have the script written, the next thing I need is a voiceover. So I'm going to go over to Solo AI, which is this AI tool that has pretty much everything you need for an entire online business. And one of the things they have is also the AI voiceovers. So I can select a voice from the library on the right hand side. I'm going to go with Bill, and then right here, I just need to paste my script. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to copy script from ChatGPT. I will paste it in here and click generate. That then gives me the voiceover, which I can download with one press of a button. Next step, to make the actual video, I'm going to head over to HeyGen, and once inside of HeyGen, I'm going to click on avatars on the left hand side. I'll just add a new avatar, create a virtual character, upload a photo. I will upload a photo of my AI grandpa and I will click upload. His name is going to be Vlad. I'm going to select senior, man, and continue. For the voice, just go to his voices, then click on new voice, instant voice clone, and just upload that voiceover from Solo AI. Once I have that, I'll just use in video this AI avatar, and then on the left hand side, I can either paste the script or just upload my voiceover directly. Once I have that, I'll just click generate, and now I have this same type of AI grandpa with all the realistic moves speaking directly into the camera. The voice is perfect, his movements are perfect, it's so realistic, and I can just download this. Now just the final thing that we need is captions, so I'm gonna open up CapCut, which is my video editing software that I personally use the most, upload my AI grandpa here, go to text, go to auto captions, generate, select one of the templates from the right hand side that I like the most. I think this one would be perfect, and I'll click export. Now, if you want to see how members of my community are monetizing these kinds of channels relatively quickly and how they're actually getting views and optimizing everything, I will leave a link to my community in the description box down below, as we have over 60 hours of step-by-step video training, a brand new program that's now added to the classroom with all of the prompts that you need to actually do this the right way and make them super realistic, not just for YouTube, but for Instagram as well. And also, again, the monetization part is available there as well, as we are no longer allowed to talk about that part on YouTube. So all of that and more is linked in the description box down below, and I will see you in some of the future videos.